Now next is the calculation of or conversion of CBI to FBI. Sometimes in the questions we are given that we have to convert chain base index into fixed base index. So we have to convert the chain base to fixed base index. So you will be given in the question already calculated chain base index. You simply have to convert it into the fixed base index. So in this you will be calculating the fixed base index and we will be applying the formula current year CBI. You will be taking the current year chain base index number and multiply that with previous year FBI. Previous year FBI will be multiplied and whole will be divided by 100. So this will be the formula that we will use to convert the CBI into FBI. Take the current year CBI, multiply it with previous year FBI and divide it by 100. Let us see this with the help of a practical example. So this is one example. In this case you have been given the chain base index and in the question it has been given that directly calculate fixed base index. So we have seen the formula that we applied. Formula was current year CBI. We will be multiplying it. Multiply by previous year FBI and divide by 100. So this formula we will be applying. So in the first case, as you can see, we cannot calculate because we do not have previous year FBI. So in the first year we have to take the same 80 only. We will be assuming that our CBI comes out to be same FBI only. So for the next year, current year CBI, this is our current year CBI multiplied by previous year FBI. This is the FBI that we are calculating. So previous year FBI is 80 divided by 100. So when you will solve it, it will be 76. Let us see for the next year. Current year chain base index into previous year fixed base index divided by 100. It comes out to be 77.5. For the next year, if we have to calculate, 98 current year CBI multiplied by previous year FBI divided by 100, it will be 75.96. For the next year, 105 multiplied by 75.96 divided by 100. So our answer is 79.76 near about. And for the last year also we can calculate. It will be 100 multiplied by 79.76 divided by 100. Again it will be 79.76. So like this, by applying this formula, current year CBI multiplied by previous year FBI divided by 100, we can convert a CBI into FBI.